Welcome back to Maths with Miss S. This is part 2 on equations, and in this video we'll talk about how to get rid of multiplications and divisions in equations. We know that when we have added terms, we can get rid of them by subtracting them on both sides of the equation, or if we have subtracted terms, we can add them on both sides of the equation. Now, today we want to look at if there are similar rules with multiplications and divisions. If we look at 3 times 5, that's the same as 15. If we divide both sides by 3, on the left hand side, the 3's are going to cancel out and we're left with just the 5. And on the right hand side, we have 15 divided by 3, which is 5. Now, 5 equals 5 is a true statement. So, looks like we are allowed to divide both sides by the same value. Let's check if we're also allowed to multiply both sides of an equation by the same value without changing the truth value of that statement. So if we multiply by 4 on the left side, it cancels out, we're left with 20, and 5 times 4 is also 20, which again gives us a true statement. So we are also allowed to multiply both sides of an equation by the same value. Now let's put that to practice. In equations, we're usually looking for values that are missing, so we're looking for unknown values, and these unknown values need to make that equation true. So when we have 3a, we need to keep in mind that that's actually a multiplication between the 3 and the a, and to reverse that we need to divide by 3. And if we do that to both sides, we're left with a equals 15 divided by 3, which is 5. Now to check that, we feed that back into the original equation and we're left with 15 equals 15, which is a true statement. Let's look at one more exercise there. A divided by 3 is equal to 6. This time we have that divided by 3, that's kind of in the way. So this is a division, and in order to reverse a division, we need to multiply both sides by this value of the denominator. So if we multiply both sides by 3, we are cancelling out the 3's, which leaves us with a on the left side, and on the right hand side we have 6 times 3, which is 18. So a is 18 would actually give us the solution.